Recently, it was revealed that if you have an iPhone and if a thief steals it from you, and by any chance, if he gets your passcode, then it is a game over for you. With that passcode, he can get full control over your iPhone. Can you imagine what someone can do with full control over your smartphone? They can turn off security systems, see saved passwords, and set up their own Face ID, which would allow them even to use your credit cards and sensitive information. But now, an important security update is available in iOS 17.3 with stolen device protection, which makes it harder for thieves to take over someone's Apple account. This feature will require Face ID verification before those changes are being made. Hence, the thief won't be able to access your Apple account. Also, there would be a delay of 1 hour to change things like Face or Touch ID if the phone is in unfamiliar location. Hence, with this update, your iPhone is secure even if the thief knows the passcode. So here is how you can do it. Open setting on your iPhone, go to general, then click on software update, and here you see the option iOS 17.3 update. Click on update now and wait till the installation is done. For me, it took around 40 minutes. After the installation is done, navigate to settings, go to Face ID and passcode, enter the device passcode, and turn on the stolen device protection. As you can see, it says that this feature gives you another layer of security when iPhone is away from similar locations such as home and work. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Goodbye.